What if the most powerful prescription for your brain didn't come from a pharmacy? What if it came from how you move, eat, sleep, think, and connect every single day? Because that's exactly what a huge US study just showed. And honestly, it's one of the most hopeful things we've seen in brain science in a long time. The US Pointer trial asked, can lifestyle changes actually improve how the brain works right now? And the answer was yes. Here's what they did. They followed 2,111 adults aged 60 to 79 across 5 research centers in the US. Every single person was considered at risk. That meant things like being sedentary, having a family history of Alzheimer's, or carrying a genetic risk factor like ApoE4. This is real people with real risk for dementia. They split them in 2 groups for 2 years. One group got a structured lifestyle program, coaches, group sessions, clear goals, and accountability. The other group got general health advice, motivation, and had to do it mostly on their own. Both groups tried to live healthier lives, but the difference between trying and being guided turned out to matter a lot. By the end of the study, both groups improved. That alone is huge. It means that even small changes help the brain. But the group in the structured program saw significantly bigger gains in global cognition, executive function, processing speed. And the benefits show up regardless of sex, ethnicity. Even people with higher genetic risk improve. Also, 89% of participants stayed in the study for the full 2 years. And that tells us something important. This program wasn't extreme, it was doable. And this program wasn't about fancy or biohacking. It was just consistent lifestyle habits, like movement, about 30 to 35 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise 4 times a week. Plus a couple of strength and flexibility sessions. Food, the mind-style pattern, leafy greens, berries, whole grains, fish and nuts. Less sugar, less red meat, nothing wild. Brain and social stimulation. Short brain training sessions a few times a week and real social interaction. Also health tracking. Blood pressure, labs, weight review with clinicians, clear targets, adjustments along the way. Meanwhile, the self-guided group only met a handful of times over 2 years. Still helpful, but not nearly as powerful as a structured program. And there's a huge mindset shift that we can take from this study. We usually treat lifestyle like prevention, something polite and optional. But this study shows that lifestyle is a treatment. Your habits aren't just slowing damage. They are actively telling your brain, build, repair, strengthen connections. This is a direct biological signal to neurons, blood vessels, support cells, all of it. And your brain listens faster than we used to think. You don't need to be in a research group to start this. You can start following these lifestyle changes in your normal life. Move, brisk walking or similar most days. This will improve your blood flow and this will promote brain growth factors. Eat smart, greens daily, berries a couple times a week, fish weekly. Less inflammation and stronger memory circuits for your brain. Train your brain. Learn something new or use structured tools a few times a week. Connect with others. One meaningful social touch point every week. This will lower your stress hormones and improve the resilience of your brain. And don't forget to track your health. Track your blood pressure, your glucose, your sleep. And remember, what's good for your heart is good for the brain. None of these changes is extreme, but together they are very powerful. The real message that we can take from this study is that even if you are already at risk, even if you are starting a little bit later than you wanted, a well-structured lifestyle can still improve how your brain works. Your habits aren't just protective, they are therapeutic. And if you have a structured guidance, that's a multiplier. And that's actually why I built my signature program From Fog to Focus. It is designed to bring lifestyle medicine into real life in a way that boosts your focus, steadies your mood, and strengthens your brain in the present and protects it in the future. Nothing extreme, just science, structure, and support. If you want to know more about it, I invite you to join my masterclass From Fog to Focus. You will find the link in the description. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you in another video. Bye.